This is a white iPhone 17 Pro Max. Let's go to Settings General about this iPhone. Let's take a look. The model is ZPA. The Asia-Pacific version is collectively referred to as ZPA. The storage size is 256 gigabytes. So, will expanding the storage slow it down or increase the speed? We will use professional software to test the read and write speeds of the 256 gigabyte storage. The test results are: write speed is 2,436 megabytes per second. Read speed is 1,501 megabytes per second. Another very important point, we connect the phone to the computer to check the detailed storage information. The chip model is S5E, and the supplier name is Toshiba. Now, in the previous iPhone 17 Pro expansion video, many people in the comments said Apple is about to block storage expansion, and that after expansion, it will slow down, among other issues. So, using today's iPhone 17 Pro Max expansion video, let's use data to show you the truth. After heating the screen, we open it. The iPhone 17 series starts disassembly from the screen. After opening the screen, we place the phone in a fixture and protect the front Face ID assembly. We remove the screen. There are two cables on the screen. Disconnect the cables and remove the screen. Does anyone know which model screen is compatible with this one? We disconnect the battery connector. Next, there is a bracket. We remove all the screws around it. We carefully flip open this bracket. Why? Because the battery is behind the bracket. We find that the iPhone 17 Pro Max does not have a steel shell battery like the iPhone 17 Pro. It's a regular battery. Gamers dislike the speaker design on the left. On the right is the vibration motor. This is the logic board, then the three large cameras, the earpiece, and the front Face ID assembly. Next is removing the logic board. Note, the iPhone 17 Pro series requires removing the rear camera, front camera, and earpiece before the logic board can be removed. This is the earpiece assembly. Next, we remove both the front Face ID assembly and the rear cameras. You'll notice the rear cameras take up a very large amount of space. Underneath this, there are two more cables. After disconnecting these cables, we need to flip the logic board over. There is another cable on the back. Okay, after disconnecting that, we can remove the logic board. The board is very small and compact, different from the iPhone 17 Pro. There's also this shock-absorbing bracket. We remove all the foam and shock-absorbing brackets. Next, we protect the area around the storage chip. Then, we place the logic board in the fixture. This white chip is the storage. Remember, initially we saw it was Toshiba. After finishing the preparation around it, we apply a small amount of flux, heat, and remove the original Toshiba 256 gigabyte storage chip. After removing the storage, we apply flux to the pads, clean the pads, and make them flat. All these details are to ensure better installation of the new storage chip. After the pads are processed, we take out the new storage chip. We apply solder balls to the new storage chip. After applying solder paste, clean it, then heat it to melt each solder point. Here, I want to tell you, we can perform a non-delamination, lossless expansion up to 2 terabytes here. However, because the price of the 2 terabyte storage chip is very high, it is not recommended to choose the 2 terabyte storage expansion. After processing, we apply a small amount of flux to the pads, then install the new storage chip. After installation, we apply a small amount of fixing black adhesive around the storage, then place the logic board in a constant temperature oven for baking to solidify the adhesive around it. During this time, we clean the residual adhesive from around the phone's frame. This ensures the new adhesive will sit flat, guaranteeing better sealing. Okay, after finishing that, we take out the logic board, reattach all the foam and shielding, then install the logic board back into the phone frame. Connect all the cables. For the peripherals, also remember to reinstall the rear cameras and earpiece assembly, as well as the front camera and Face ID assembly. So, with this operation, although you save thousands of dollars, you lose the 1-year official warranty. Do you think this operation is worth it? If it were you, would you choose to expand the storage like this directly? Would you expand to 1 terabyte or 2 terabytes? Okay, we install the battery, then apply new waterproof adhesive, then install the screen. Now, the exciting moment is coming. Will it become slower or faster? Will it be throttled? Are the rumors online true or false? Let's wait and see. After installing the screen, remove the protective film from the waterproof adhesive, remove the protective film from the Face ID area. We close the screen, then connect the phone to the computer. It's in recovery mode. We directly install the latest system because the new storage has no data, no system, so we need to install a new system. After installation, we place the phone in a heat press machine for sealing. After successful pressing, take out the phone. Install the 2 bottom screws. Due to time constraints, we won't show the activation interface. After activation, let's take a look. It's still the same Asia-Pacific version iPhone 17 Pro Max. The total capacity is now 1.02 terabytes. We will install the testing software we used earlier. One difference is that there is a small version difference in their systems, and also, Just after restoring, the phone is currently very hot, but this does not affect the iPhone 17 Pro Max's heat dissipation issues after testing. The write speed after expansion increased a little bit, but the read speed decreased a little bit. These can be ignored because the versions are different, and the phone is a bit hot right now, so the conclusion is, storage expansion does not cause throttling. Another very important point, we need to check the new storage we replaced. Its type is also S5E, indicating it's the same type. But the supplier is SK Hynix. Does anyone know which other suppliers provide storage for Apple? Type them in the comments. Grateful. Thanks to every fan for your support. If you like my videos, please double tap the screen. If you haven't followed yet, please follow. Thank you.